Creating e-tutorial. The second component of any online course based on four-quadrant approach has to be the e-tutorial, which can be audio or video. Sometimes reading the whole text is impossible and some learners may have visual impairments. At times, audio-video tutorial is more effective than reading material in bringing conceptual clarity and keeping the interest of the learners intact. Therefore, teachers need to create audio-video lessons to create an inclusive learning environment. There are numerous softwares available for the purpose. Some of them are described below. Creating and editing audio. Using audio in language teaching has always proved tremendously useful. For this reason, language teachers have been using the phonograph as teaching aid since its invention. With the development of the newer technologies, it has transformed into Language Lab and the modern day Language Resource Center. These days, most smartphones have an inbuilt voice recorder. If it is not built in, then it can be downloaded free of cost from the App Store, Play Store, etc. Some precautions must be taken for recording an effective audio tutorial to get the desired result. Number 1. Ensure that the place where audio is recorded does not have any unnecessary noise or disturbance. Number 2. Distance from the microphone should be optimum. It should neither be too near nor too far. Number 3. Keep the script ready and refer to it to maintain a sequence. Number 4. Do not repeat content unnecessarily. Number 5. Keep the non-verbal cues to minimum. Number 6. Make sure that it does not sound robotic or monotonous. Sometimes recording audio may require some editing to ensure the desired quality. Learning to create and edit audio input is significant for a language teacher. Following is a list of software which can make this task easy and interesting. Number A. Audacity. Audacity is a popular free audio recording and editing software. It is widely used worldwide and is very user-friendly. The software had made recording and editing simple enough to be understood by people without a need of an external training. It also supports several plugins and libraries that can expand its functionality. Most of the buttons of Audacity are self-explanatory. Within this app, audio can be recorded and edited, and it can also edit pre-recorded audio. It has many features that are particularly useful for language teachers, as audio is an important aid in foreign and second language teaching. WebPad allows you to edit and record music, voice, and other types of audios. You can alter audio files with tools like cut, copy, and paste. Audio effects such as echo, enhancement, and noise reduction can also be used. WebPad Audio Editor is compatible with various audio formats including Vox, GSM, etc. SoundForge. Magic's SoundForge audio editing platform allows you to record, edit, and master audio. This software allows high-resolution audio recording, one-touch and timestamp recording, audio file conversion, and normalization, user interface customization, and more. Creating and hosting podcasts. Creating and editing audio is one thing, while making it available online to all internet users is another. Here are some platforms which facilitate the hosting of podcasts. Podcast, a word blend of iPod and broadcast. Podcasting entails publishing audio files on the internet. Users subscribe to the podcasts of their choice and relevance. Various podcasts by educators, for educators and students are available on the internet. Most mobile phones now have apps such as Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Audible, Stitcher, and TuneIn Radio, etc. Podcasts can be directly streamed using these apps, or they can also be downloaded where internet speed is a problem. In the field of language learning, podcasting has much potential. Podcasts can be recorded by teachers for their learning or by learners themselves for sharing with other learners. Podcasts are rich in content and provide good listening content to the listeners. Podcasts aim at achieving a set of objectives in the learning process. For example, writing the podcast summary, note-taking, group discussion, etc. can provide opportunities of skill development. Learners can also be instructed to write the script of their podcast on a given topic and record it using a recording tool. While interacting with other media, students can be asked to record a film, book, blog review in the podcast format after reading it or watching it on the OTT platform. Audio files on reciting poetry can be useful podcasts for school students. Teachers and learners can make their own podcasts on Spotify Anchor. The internet is full of information on how to do this. You can check the following. Google Podcast has several useful features, including downloading episodes for offline listening and syncing podcasts across devices to resume an episode quickly. In addition to Android and iOS, you can also browse through podcasts and listen to them on the web. Hubhopper is India's leading podcast hosting, creation and distribution platform for getting podcasts across both Indian and global audio platforms. Its podcasts are available on Indian and global audio platforms like Gaana, Wink Music, Spotify, Google Podcasts, etc. You can record and edit your podcast easily. Trim, merge, add background music with this easy to use editor. Recording and editing videos. Any good quality camera or video recorder may be used for greater resolution and better picture qualities. While recording a video, utmost care must be taken about the whole content being in the frame, prevention of noise, good sound and picture quality, the optimum length of the video, and interesting presentation of the content. Many available software allows us to record and edit video to ensure the desired quality. OBS. It is a widely used free open source video creation and editing software. It provides a plethora of features to ensure excellent quality video output. OpenShot is a widely used open source tool for creating stunning videos, films and animations with an easy to use interface and rich feature set. It is available on Linux, Mac and Windows. Magisto is also a video editing suite you may easily take anywhere because it is available over the web and on mobile platforms. The main features of Magisto are multiple themes, editing and referring scenes, adding logos and captions, distribution, uploading photos, premium editing styles, unlimited HD movie downloads, insights, etc. VideoPad is a great tool for beginners in the video editing. They can learn many things from this software because it can be used effortlessly. It has a simple user interface. This full-feature video editor lets you create professional-looking videos with transitions, music and narration in minutes. Vegas is a fantastic tool that is a good alternative to Adobe Premiere. Vegas Pro is a video editor with several essential tools for audio and video editing. While generating audio-visual content, you have a lot of freedom because it is the tool that allows you to do whatever you want. Shortcut supports video, audio and image formats via FFmpeg. It uses a timeline for non-linear video editing and multiple tracks may be composed of various file formats. Scrubbing and transport control are assisted by OpenGL, GPU-based processing, and a number of video and audio filters are available. Final Cut Pro offers the most advanced organizing tools of any professional video editing application. You may easily tag entire clips or clip ranges with metadata for searching and creating smart collections that automatically collect content according to custom criteria. Making presentations for online videos. Digital presentation is an advanced means of presenting information vividly and systematically. 21st century classrooms are equipped with smart boards, projectors, mobile phones and laptops. These devices have become important for classrooms as well as distance learning scenarios. A teacher is required to have the basic technological knowledge to create presentation. It is not just a way of disseminating information, but is also used by teachers very efficiently to make their classes interactive. It helps organize and effectively communicate with the learners by engaging them with audio-visual elements. Some of the ways of making presentations are given below. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a popular presentation software developed by Microsoft. It allows users to create media-rich presentations constituted by a series of slides. It gives us everything we need to produce a professional-looking presentation. PowerPoint offers word processing, outlining, drawing, graphing, and presentation management tools designed to be easy to use and learn. It enables users to create engaging presentations consisting of individual pages or slides which may contain text, graphics, sound, movies, hyperlinks, and other objects. PowerPoint enables users to add animation and effects to slideshow elements. Presentations can be printed, displayed, notated, and navigated by the presenter. B. Prezi. Prezi is an interactive cloud-based presentation platform that helps users to connect with the audience. Prezi is a suite of online content design and visual communication tool that helps foster more profound understanding and connection between people, even when working on learning remotely. It allows users to create interactive charts, reports, maps, infographics, and more. Prezi, however, uses a canvas-based approach. Instead of slides, Prezi has one large canvas that your presentation moves around on, zooming in and out to review various frames. Vyond is a cloud-based video animation tool. With Vyond Studio, anybody can make media that moves from GIFs to videos and beyond. You can use Vyond to create animated videos using thousands of props, assets, and characters. Vyond Studio is packed with thousands of props, characters, royalty-free music, complex actions, and multiple animated styles. Vyond combines an intuitive, powerful video editing platform with the training, support, and enterprise-level security to ensure that organizations of any size and individual of any skill level can make media that moves. Zoho Show lets us create, collaborate, present, broadcast, and publish presentations more innovatively. It allows presenters to add exciting visuals to their slides and hold audiences' attention anytime, anywhere. Zoho Show can be used to convince, and communicate in a classroom, a meeting room, a conference hall, or an event. Google Slides is an online presentation app that lets you create and format presentations and work with other people. It helps us in order to create a new presentation and add, edit, or format text, images, or videos in a presentation, and we can share files and folders with people and choose whether they can view, edit, or comment on them. Google Slide features a more engaging presentation with live polls and quizzes. Keynote is a presentation creation app for iPhone that can be used by students, professionals, and anyone who needs to make a slideshow. With its powerful tool and dazzling effects, Keynote makes creating stunning and memorable presentations easy. Keynote sets the stage for an impressive presentation where individuals can present a story in their own way. A simple, intuitive interface puts important tools front and center so one can easily and beautifully chart, edit photos, and incorporate cinematic effects. It contains more than 30 cinematic transitions and effects which enhance the presentation by adding texture, color gradients, and even photos with just a tap. Canva is an excellent design app for creating flyers, banners, posters, social media posts, etc. Canva is home to thousands of free professionally designed templates that, thanks to their drag and drop interface, can be customized with just a few clicks. The template categorizes include Zoom backgrounds, posters, presentations, flyers, cards, infographics, business cards, Instagram posts, resumes, invitations, book covers, and more. From basic cropping and strengthening to adding texture and color correction, Canva's beginner-friendly features simplify editing photos. SlideDog is the easiest presentation making software to be shown on the web, iPad, and iPhone. This software helps to broadcast presentations in real time easily, add live chat and discussion, etc. SlideDog provides the feature of animations, video content, screen sharing, 3D objects, offline presentation, transitions, and audio content. Beautiful AI. Beautiful.ai is a cloud-based presentation platform that allows anyone to create beautiful presentations using smart templates. It helps in creating compelling presentations with good design. It understands the rules of good design. Through design animations, it enables users to add content to their slides and watch them automatically adapt to a style. Visme. As an all-in-one visual content creation tool, Visme is perfect for educators, bloggers, and non-profit looking to create all types of visuals for their educational materials or campaigns. The platform appears to be quite user-friendly even for novice users. It contains all sorts of visual communication assets with ready-to-use and customizable templates ranging from social media posts, infographics, charts or graphs, and videos to printable materials like flyers. Users can download these assets in several formats such as images, PDFs, PPTs, HTML5, etc. It can be connected with YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, Dropbox, Typeform, Unsplash, Giphy, and more. To make reports, users can also transfer data directly from Google Analytics. Thank you.